Welcome back again. It's Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. Anyway, today we make something very fantastic. Fluffy rice and some fried up corned beef and vegetable. Enjoy it and stay tuned, and remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We love you guys and thank you so much for watching my show. Don't go anywhere. Look how we make the fluffy rice and the corned beef. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking shows. Amazing, guys. Anyway, today we want to cook some fluffy rice and serve it with corned beef. Anyway, this is, you can see, I just washed off 1.5 cups of basmati rice and I put 2 cups of water in it because I want to cook some fluffy rice with corned beef. So guys, enjoy the recipe. As you can see, the water is over the rice, and now we're going to cook this for roughly about 12 to 15 minutes, and then we look at it. All right, so guys, as I say, get 1.5 cups of rice and 2 cups of water, and wash off your rice first, and then you pour the water and cook it for 2 hours. You can put ingredients like butter or olive oil or vegetable oil and a pinch of salt in your water. If you want to cook it just like this without any ingredients in it, just like me, this is the way I'm gonna cook mine, and that is my fluffy rice. Basically, just like this, and I'm gonna put this on the stove and start to cook it for 12 to 15 minutes. This is basmati. You can cook long grain or whatever rice you like to cook, guys, at your home, or brown rice, which is even more healthier. Enjoy it as we cook fluffy rice today. Lovely and nice. So basically what we're going to do, I'm going to just simple fry up some corned beef. Right here I got some frozen corn and I have half of a corned beef. You can get corned beef in the local shop or supermarket to buy. Right here I have white onion and some red pepper and spring onion. Just gonna fry up all of these ingredients. Just keep it simple and natural. And we're gonna serve it with some fluffy rice. So guys, enjoy it, and remember, subscribe and don't be afraid to share and tell a friend. Thank you so much. Lovely and nice. So look at now, guys. First thing, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's the main thing what you want to do. And then white onion and all the peppers and spring onion. Nice one. So basically we're just gonna be frying up this for about one nice good 5 to 6 minutes. You see that the color there? With the spring onion and the white onion and the red pepper give it a lovely color, and that's what you're looking for. Nice one. Then basically gonna add a little bit of coarse pepper. I love my pepper now. It's gonna be frying up that for a couple of minutes. And that looking lovely and nice. Add that frozen sweet corn. Give it a stir. And I'm telling you something, the fluffy rice won't finish up. Add that nice lovely corned beef. Just mash it up in it. Mash it up, mash it up, mash it up, mash it up. And lovely and nice. Lovely and nice. So basically I just put in a tablespoon of stretch up inside of it and make it just cook for a nice good 10 minutes. Lovely and nice, guys, as I can see. It's gonna serve with some fluffy rice. Anyway, this is finished now. That doesn't take long. As you can see, that's looking lovely and nice. Let's take a look at the fluffy rice. Lovely and nice. Look at that. That's the fluffy rice. You see? Fluffy rice. So the fluffy rice is finished. Also, doesn't take long to cook. What we're going to do is share it out. Nice and lovely. Lovely fluffy rice. Nice one. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, I just share out the food right here. This is the corned beef and fluffy rice. So hopefully you guys can enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more ideas and tips with a little bit of stir-fried cabbage which I have left over from the day before. So anyway, this is fluffy rice and corned beef with some stir-fried cabbage, and hopefully you will like it. Thank you so much to tune in with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more tips, recipe and ideas coming your way. See you next time. Bye bye.